In the age of Internet of Everything, the increasing enrichment of artificial intelligence has caused us to breach the limits of our horizons and has enabled us to see deeper and more broadly. Progcode, a world-leading program, centric smart IoT solutions and code provider, providing free tutorials and articles on web development, web designing, machine learning, artificial intelligence, programming, and software development. We also provide full course of Python from beginner level to the advanced level. All the tutorial and articles in this site is free of charge for our readers. We constantly add new content that always puts an emphasis on the beginners. Learning a code is not a simple task, so we provide step-by-step explanation of the topic. We will also provide you the resources on Python, HTML, C++, C, C#, JavaScript, and Ruby. Thank you for watching our video and click on the link given in the description box to go to our website.